how to start, bookmark, or pin a message on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Then in here, we open up the text conversation. And to start a text message or an image, just go in here and then touch and hold on the image or a text. At the top here, tap on the star button to add it to favorite. Here is another one. So let's say if I want to start this text message, I can touch and hold on it and then tap on the star to pin it down. And that's it. So later on, when you want to quickly retrieve your bookmark, all you have to do is tap on so you go into your text conversation, then you tap on the more button at the top. From the pop-up menu, tap on start, and in here it will show you all the filter messages on a text message that you have bookmark, pin, or you have star in your text conversation. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.